Hey everybody, it's Amanda from the Hydes to Disney. We are back with another Pop in the Box subscription box. This is month 2 that we have gotten one, and I'm really excited to open this up, so let's just jump right in. So welcome back. Before we get started with the Funko Pops, I did get a couple of new pairs of ears that I just wanted to show off really quick to support a small shop. These are from Ears by Becca. I will put her link down below, and I found her actually on TikTok of all places, but I found these ears on her website that were really cute. These were definitely the last pair, but sorry, I love them though. And then I also got these bad boys that I'm super pumped for. I don't know if you can tell, they're Haunted Mansion ears. I'm super excited to wear these. I actually got a fanny pack for my birthday from my best friend, and it's also a Haunted Mansion print, so apparently I'm doing a Haunted Mansion Disney bound, and I am for it. I do have a third pair of ears that should be hopefully here before we leave for our trip next week, and if those come in, I will definitely make sure to show them to you. If not, you will see them in our videos in Disney. And now for the thing that you are here for, the Pop in a Box. I think I'm going to show you guys the pops before I look in the box. My eyes are closed. Eyes are still closed. Look. Hopefully it's focused. Hopefully you guys can see. Am I going to be excited? Let me know. Okay, I'm going to go with the one that's on this side first. Again, still not looking at the camera, and let's see. Yes! My boy! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It's Quasimodo. I have the regular Quasimodo up on my shelf already, so he's going right up. I don't know if you guys can see him. Yeah, you can. He's right there on my shelf. So he's gonna go up right next to him. And number 2, you guys have already seen this, so you guys either know I'm gonna be wicked excited or wicked not. Let's open up number 2. Oh! Why didn't you guys tell me? Ah! I've never been so excited in my entire life. Oh my goodness. She's perfect. She's gonna go right there with my other Little Mermaid ones. All right, let's get these bad boys out of the boxes. Okay, so let's get a good look at him. Dude, oh my gosh, does he really have that? Amazing. I didn't realize that he actually had a rip in his cape. You guys can see that there. He's got the rip in the cape. He's got the jester hat. He's got the little handle there. Oh my gosh, he's perfect. I love him. We're putting him up right now. I need to figure out a better way to display my pops because they are on a shelf back there. You can't really see them, and there's no real room for any more pops up there on that shelf. I could put them up there, but that's where Baby Yoda is. Anyway, let's look at Ariel. I love this one so much. This is my favorite dress of Ariel's, is when she comes out of the water with her legs in this dress. She's just stunning. I kind of want to put some glitter on her dress just because she would have had a glittery dress. But she's still beautiful. I love her. She's going right up on the shelf too. So if you guys have any suggestions on how to display my Funko Pops on this wall back here, please let me know down in the comments because I need to figure out a good way to display them. Right now there is only 9 up on that shelf and they're crowded, and I know there's pictures up there too, but they'd be even more crowded if I didn't have pictures up there. So if you guys are interested at all in the Pop in a Box subscription, I will leave their link down below. They have a bunch of different ranges of how many you can get per month. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 12 I think are their numbers. As well as you can do Star Wars, Marvel, Disney, Harry Potter, a bunch of different kinds. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love to see a big thumbs up, and I would love to hear down below in the comments, A, how to organize my Funko Pops better, or B, which of those Funko Pops was your favorite? I love them both. I can't decide which one was my favorite, so you guys have to decide in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, we would love to have you subscribe. We are a growing channel and we love all of our followers, and so we'd love for you to join that following with us. You can also find us on Instagram or Facebook at the Hydes to Disney. All those links will be down below. And I guess with that, we will see you on Thursday for another cooking video. Bye!